Hello everybody, my name is Leandro Mada. In this video, we're going to talk about the site manager and how the license can be linked to the HMI that we have on the gate manager. So if we go to the presentation, just a quick reminder how this works. So we have already installed in our laptop the link manager. We have already get access to the gate manager, and in the previous part of this training we saw how the HMI can be linked to the gate manager. Just a reminder, let's open this, which is the gate manager. You can see here the HMI, okay, is connected, which has this IP address. Let's go back to the presentation. Okay, so in this part of training, what we have done is to use the 30 days free trial version, which has the gate manager, the link manager, and also the site manager extended license, which cover 5 device agents. You can see here, if we go back, mhm, here, this is what we got, okay? The game manager, which is allowed us to get access here. I also have the link manager that will be very useful when we want to connect. We're going to see that later. Then the site manager. If we want to connect to the device, okay, it's not possible. Okay, there is no connect button in here. So if we go to the site manager, okay, we are able to connect, but we have this message. There is no agent license and there is no attached in domain. Fix, there is nothing to do here, just to the configuration that we saw. And in here, there is nothing because there is no license attached yet to the HMI. So what we need to do is to attach a license. So first, let's talk about a little bit about the license that we have. So there is a big difference between the extended and the basic license. Okay, as you remember, the agent is about the access method. Okay, so the basic, okay, can have up to 2 agents. Okay, but it doesn't mean that you have 2 HMIs. It's just for that specific HMI that you have linked to the gate manager. Okay, and you have 2 different access method to connect to the HMI. In this example, the 3W and the FTP. But if you require to connect to another devices on the same network, on the other port on the HMI, you should use the extended one. And here again, you can see the license. So for this test, what I want to do, okay, just to show you that it's working, I'm going to use the HMI connected to my router, and then I'm going to use my mobile phone to connect to the laptop, and then create all the tunnel here to connect to one side to the other. So if we go to here, the HMI, okay, let's go to here. This symbol here, it means that it's connected, the check, okay, but in the bottom you can see there is an exclamation. That means that we don't have any license there. So what we need to do, okay, is to attach. So let's see here, just to show you that I don't have any communication yet. So we need to select the license. In this case, for this one, I have only this license. So I'm gonna bin license and attach. Yes, proceed. Good. You can see here that the license is attached to this specific HMI. If we go to the site, okay, you can see there that the device is connected and this one device agent app. By default, we have this. Okay, we can change the device or assign different methods of access. I'm going to save, continue. So this is already finished. Okay, you can see here I'm still not connected. Okay, so this one is for the part of the manager. As you remember in the past, I have already created another account, this one. You can see here. And in here, you can see that this device app was configured in here. Okay, so we have for the access, okay, we have for the manager, for the administrator, the possibility to connect to the HMI, and also for the other account I have created. Okay, and you can see here the access. So if we refresh this once again, you still have the site manager to still configure the device agents. And we also have the possibility to connect all. So let's put this in this way. So we can connect for each device, okay, device agent, or connect all. So when I connect all, we should be able to connect to the device. Okay, I forgot to connect with this one. So now connect all. Now we have the connection to the site, okay, and we have the communication to the HMI that we have specified in there. Okay, so just remember, don't forget as I have done, the link manager, you need to open it. Otherwise, when you want to connect, it will open the link manager for you. Then you have the communication once again with the HMI. So a few things that we need to know is that I'm going to disconnect. This example, I don't have any license. So if we want, we can delete this license, but in order to do that, what we need to do is to delete this target, but the license is not already ready to transfer. Okay, you will need to wait for 24 hours in order to, if I know wrong, it should be 24 hours in order to be free. This license will be free, and then you should be able to use in another site or another HMI. So that's why it's important to have more license, okay, more the license for different sites, because you can see here, so you can connect to different sites if you want. Let me just go back to, okay, this one and this one. So let's analyze a little bit more here. Okay, just want to maximize this. Okay, good. So here you can see that the disk manager is free, okay, because now when it's connected and extended also. So if we connect all, okay, you should be able here that is not free because now is in use by this one and the link manager is used. Okay, that's why you should be able to use in another one. So for example, I'm here, okay, with the other account. Let's see what happened when I want to connect. Okay, is open with another session. Okay, that's why you cannot. There is only, for this case, there is only one link manager, okay, and it's already used. So if you want to have different um, another technician connected to the HMI or to the site, you should have another link manager. Otherwise, only one person can be connected to the site. And if you want more HMIs to be connected, here you can see there is no license left. So you need to have more license, as you can see here in this part. So if I disconnect, okay, disconnect from site, request timeout, okay, there is no connection to the HMI anymore. And then if I connect again, you should be able to connect once again. There we go. So let me just double check if I forget something. Okay, yeah, that's all. This is all the status of the sites that you want to connect. Okay, if everything is good, you should be able to see this, the check, if you have the license over there, and when the device is connected, you should see this flag over here. So thank you very much for watching me, and if you have any question, just give us a call or send us a message over here. Thank you.